Alright guys, we got a push mower in here today. It's doing something a little different than what we're used to. I'm used to carburetor over and over and over. This one, if you listen, it still could be the carburetor, but it don't sound like it. Listen to what it sounds like. It still may be a carburetor, but while it was popping and snapping and spitting and sputtering like it was ignition or a filed plug maybe. So I'm gonna see what the plug looks like. We still may have to go in the carburetor. Not sure yet. May have water in it. Sometimes water makes them pop and spit like that. The plug looks good. This thing looks brand new. We're going to open the carb just to see if we see anything. See what kind of fuel is sitting in that bowl. Yep, full of water. See the water on the bench right here? See it beating up? So that's the reason it was throwing me off right to begin with, because it was spitting, popping, and snapping like the ignition was acting up, but it was water in the fuel. I'll put a little bit more out here for you to see. Here, watch it beat up. See the bubbles in it? That's water. So this one will be easy. It just needs flushing out, and it'll go right back to running again. Turns out it's carburetor again. It's bad fuel. Now that there's a rag in there, you can take and blow it around. Now she'll be dry as a bone. Make sure your little jets are not stopped up. And right back on she goes. Y'all think it's gonna run? I think it's gonna run. First pull. Second pull. Good to go. Always check the simple stuff, like water and fuel, because that'll damn sure do it. I hope y'all enjoyed. As always, y'all keep wrenching, guys.